this demo video where I'll be covering Streak in around 5 minutes. Streak is a CRM and workflow management system that lives 100% inside of your Gmail and can be used to not only manage different use cases, but is utilized by a variety of customers in various industries. In today's demo, I'll be showing you how Streak can be used to manage your sales workflow, but keep in mind that we can be utilized for so much more. Now, I'm in my Gmail environment, and something that I'm proud to note is that I won't have to leave my Gmail to show you all the things I'd like to and all the features of Streak. And for this demo, I'm going to pose as an AE today. And I noticed, hey, as an AE, that there's a new lead that's in my inbox and I want to engage with them quickly. So I open it. I notice it's from Chris, founder and CEO of Cho & Company, an accounting firm who wants a demo of our system. And this is a great prospective lead that I'm going to capture very quickly by pressing this icon, putting the name of the company, inputting it into my sales pipeline, and boom, it's immediately captured, and we can indicate that or know that by the bar that appears here on the right. And what's really great is that real time, I can also capture their contact information with just a couple clicks, update any of the fields as the conversation goes along, such as maybe very interested, and even select which stage I want to put them into, such as the new stage. And you can confirm that Cho & Company has been captured by going to the pipeline, which the name is available on the right, and you'll notice that Cho & Company is there safe and snug. Now, what we're looking at here is what we call the pipeline view. And the pipeline view is where all of your data sits inside Streak. In this sales use case, these are each of the data points or customers or leads that are in the pipeline. And each pipeline view has four distinct parts. The first is the name, which allows you to know what kind of workflow that you're managing with this pipeline. We then have stages, which is these colored ribbons on the top and are key steps and milestones in your process. And finally, we have rows and columns. Each row, or what we call in Streak a box, is an individual lead or customer that you can manage and move through the separate stages of the pipeline as the deal or the conversation progresses. Each column is a data point that I can capture about each of my customers, such as their contact information, the deal size, close date, and more. Customizing this is extremely easy in Streak. If you find that something doesn't fit your exact needs, no problem. We can change the stages by pressing this gear icon, changing the color scheme, updating this information as we see fit, rearranging stages, deleting, and adding as many stages as we'd like. And once you press save, it'll update. In addition, you can customize the columns to capture any of the data that you care about. For example, here at Streak, we like to track the company size of each of our prospects. And I can do so by selecting a drop-down column, typing in company size, and then choosing or creating my drop-down options very easily by selecting the add options, typing in SMB, mid, and maybe enterprise, and once I save it, I've customized it so that I can capture that information very easily. In addition, you can customize our pipelines to be able to capture your information automatically. For example, if I add date of last email, which is a magic column, it automatically pulls the date in which an email was last sent or received between me and the prospect, which I think is really awesome. Now, once you've customized this, you can of course add more columns as you see fit, or import data by pressing these three dots and taking it from another source and inputting it within Streak. Now, Streak is not only an amazing tool for external engagement with customers and prospects, but it can be used for team collaboration and transparency internally. For example, say myself and the folks here at Streak want to collaborate and share information related to synergy consulting. How you can do that within Streak is by selecting this box view here on the left. After doing so, we have this activity bar here on the left where I can not only share and have my team members who have permissions see every email conversation that I've been having with myself and the folks at Synergy Consulting, really encouraging engagement, transparency, and saving you the effort of having to BCC or forward emails. In addition, I can correspond and I think collaborate directly with my team members through our various tools such as @mention, where I can @mention a team member like Ben, ask him, hey, can you help with a proposal? Post it, and you'll notice that that has appeared here, which will notify Ben in his inbox with this message for this customer, which he can then reply to, and we can keep that conversation chain in this box view. I can make this a task instead by pressing the checkbox, request help with proposal, and once I do so, assign a due date on it, today by 5 p.m., assign it to my big buddy Ben, and once it's created, it will then send him a notification in his inbox, integrate with his Google Calendar with this request, and give him the ability to generate that task on a task list. We also have call logs, meeting notes, files, and so much more, which I can't cover today. But if you'd like to see more and learn about how Streak can be used for your use case, please just check us out at Streak.com or reach out to the folks here at Streak, and we'd be more than happy to help. Thank you, and have a wonderful rest of your day.